Hello everyone and welcome back to Art of Decor. We share awesome ideas to decorate your life easier. In this video, I can show you some different modern drying racks design ideas to decorate your home with latest living standard styles. Drying racks for small spaces offer several inspiring benefits. Space saving solutions. Drying racks designed for small spaces are compact and foldable, making them ideal for apartments, dorms, or any limited space. They can be easily stored away when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space. Versatility. Drying racks for small spaces come in various designs and configurations to suit different needs. Some have multiple tiers or adjustable arms, allowing you to dry multiple items simultaneously. This versatility maximizes the drying capacity within a small footprint. Gentle on clothes. Unlike machine drying, using drying racks allows your clothes to dry naturally, which can help prevent shrinkage, fading, and damage caused by high heat. This gentle drying method can extend the lifespan of your garments. Energy and cost savings. By air drying your clothes instead of using a dryer, you can significantly reduce energy consumptions and save on electricity bills. Drying racks for small spaces offer an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative. Preservation of delicate items. Drying racks provide a safe and a secure space to dry delicate and hand wash only items. By laying them flat or hanging them properly, you can prevent the shapes, color, and fabric integrity of your delicate clothing. Convenience and portability. Small drying racks are lightweight and portable, allowing you to move them easily from room to room or even take them on the go. This convenience is especially beneficial for those living in small spaces or without access to outdoor drying areas. Multifunctional use. Drying racks for small spaces can serve multiple purposes. They can double as clothing storage racks, shoe racks, or even as a temporary display for artwork or photographs. Quick and efficient drying. With well designed drying racks, air can circulate around your clothes, promoting faster drying items. This is particularly useful for items that require quick drying, such as towels or workout gears. Minimalist and aesthetic appeal. Drying racks for small spaces come in various styles and designs, including sleek and minimalist options. They can add a touch of elegance and organization to your living space, enhancing the overall aesthetics. Sustainable lifestyle. Opting for drying racks promotes a sustainable lifestyle by reducing reliance on energy consumption appliances. By embracing air drying method, you contribute to environmental conservation and greener way to living. In summary, drying racks for small spaces provide a practical space saving and environmentally friendly solution for drying clothes. They offer versatility, convenience, and preservation benefits while adding aesthetic appeal to your home. Join the creative journey with me and let's explore the world of art and design together. Please like my video and subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.